guys, welcome back. My name is Summer and I'm pretty excited to be sharing today's video with you. It has been a long one in the making. I have some clients, Twyla and Charlie in Hermosa Beach, and I am making over their master bedroom. I'm doing a few other spaces in their home too, so I will touch base on those little things that I've done in their home, but mainly this video is about their master bedroom. I am doing a master bedroom makeover in there with some wood panel walls. So we did like some accent walls with wood paneling, and we built up this beautiful wooden slat fireplace feature wall. I think that you guys are gonna really like it. It came out so beautiful, and if you do like it, then please give it a thumbs up, and I would ask so kindly of you to please subscribe to my channel below to continue to see more awesome, fun interior design and DIY videos just like this one, and also to please just help out your girl, because I'm really trying so hard to grow this side of my business as well, and it would just be an utter dream come true if YouTube just started like taking off. So if you would be a help to that, then I would greatly appreciate it. Please subscribe below. On to today's video, this beautiful master bedroom makeover with wood panel walls. Check out what I do. We're back in beautiful Hermosa Beach for this project. You guys, it is really starting to feel like summer here at the beach, although Hermosa is summertime vibes all year long. Let's go check out this project. When I first checked out this master bedroom, I thought it had great potential. It was a really big space and a lot of bright light. However, it felt really cold in here. It felt kind of sterile, cold, and bare. They had a lot of cool tones and blue tones, and I really wanted to cozy up this space. One thing that Twyla really wanted to address in here was the noise. They live on a busy road, and we wanted to kind of come up with some solutions to better soundproof this space. I came up with a design concept for this master bedroom design and created my mood board using the app Milanote. I will spare you because I feel like I keep talking about this app Milanote, but it is life-changing. I like it because you can have my sketches there, list, shopping items, and it just makes life so much easier. These are just my little hand-rendered sketches showing how I would suggest setting up this space. I'm in Twyla and Charlie's bedroom right now, and we are getting ready to paint in here. This is a pretty big bedroom. I am all taped off and I'm ready to go. We have a really beautiful, like kind of dark, moody, kind of sea green ocean vibes for this accent wall that we're going to be doing behind the bed. And then we have like a really cream, warm, kind of a white tone, but it has like more warm tones in it, and I'm really excited because I think that's going to balance this space. Right now they have this really cool tone gray, and I'm really just not a fan of the gray, and I think with the darker accent wall that we need to like lighten up the other walls. So I'm getting ready to get painted. I knew right away that I wanted to create a wood panel accent wall for this space. It's pretty big on Pinterest right now. You'll see using this like thin strips of wood to create this grid pattern on an accent wall. The first step for us was to measure out our wall and gather our materials. We're just using thin strips of primed MDF board and a nail gun. I could not do this without our handy friend. Twyla has a family friend who is able to construct all of this for us. However, I did come up with the grid pattern and all of the measurements using Adobe Illustrator, so he knew exactly what we needed to do. If you want to see a more detailed account on how we created this accent wall, then let me know and I'll make a video specifically for that. I really wanted to address the fireplace situation happening in this bedroom. Twyla had a faux electric fireplace in the space because it gets cold in there, and it was just kind of hanging on the wall, and we needed to make it more pretty. And I've been seeing a lot of this like wood slat paneling, where you mount the television, and you could recess a faux fireplace. And I knew I really wanted to utilize this these wooden slat walls. I obviously needed help doing this, and as I mentioned prior, Twyla has a family friend who was able to help us construct all of this. And another thing cool about doing this was we wanted to address some of the sound in this space because it's very loud in there. She lives on a busy road, and I found these wooden slats on the wood veneer hub online, and it's really great because, for one, the work is kind of cut out for you. You don't have to worry about measuring each piece of slat of wood. It comes as big pieces of wood that you can cut specific to each size. And another thing that's really wonderful about it is it actually has soundproofing. We reached out to this company, and it is fire safe, y'all. This also, because it's a faux fireplace, it does not get as much heat, but we still did create ventilation for this faux fireplace feature wall. I was a little uncertain if this was ever going to get done, but it did. They proved me wrong, and Randy, this family friend, did an awesome job on helping us get this done. We needed some artwork for this space. I have an extremely talented and close friend, Greg Ontiveros, who is a photographer, and I wanted to use some of his artwork in this space. I always like supporting local artists when possible. He is so talented. His images are so poetic and beautiful and really kind of convey this feeling and emotion, and I just think that they're so stunning. And so I found this image online on his website. You can follow him. I will link all of his information below. But we purchased an awesome photo of his online. He also does other photography. He shot some photos of me and Rosie on the beach. He's doing a little bit of interior design photos now, which sometimes he shoots for me. Which, thank you, Greg. And you guys, look, if you're getting married or know somebody, look how incredible these photos are. I mean, this is unbelievable. This is actually my friend Emily and her husband Jeff. And then some other photos of one of my very close girlfriends, Erica, and her husband. These are just stunning. We ended up going with this beautiful black and white surf photography. We had it custom framed at Hobby Lobby, which, you guys, I was so impressed with Hobby Lobby. You actually have access to all of this framing equipment and tools readily available for you. I'm doing a couple of different spaces in Twyla and Charlie's home, including the stairway and entryway, and I wanted to touch base and just share with you a little bit of the things that I've been doing in there. You know your girl loves a good gallery wall moment. They had the huge empty stairway that we needed to do something with. I purchased some inexpensive black frames from Home Goods, basically every frame you can think of. And here you can see me taking off all of the stickers. I don't know why they do this. It really makes me mad. But also incorporating different items on a gallery wall, like some mirrors, can really add to this space. You've seen me before share with you how I do a gallery wall, how I trace out all of the frames using craft paper and tape them on the wall before I make any holes and mistakes on the wall. I feel like every project I do, I need to do a little bit of DIY. I picked up another inexpensive frame from Home Goods, just a simple black with a white matte frame. I was on a walk with Rosie and found this pretty cool dried leaf that I thought, hey, we could just put it in there and that would look stunning. This is gorgeous and really actually free because the leaf was free. And it's already dried, so it's not going to change color anymore. And the frame was 16 bucks. So this is a beautiful, simple piece of art. I'm obsessed. It looks so good. Right? What do you think? So I originally made the leaf art, the DIY art, to go next to this tree area behind a chair. And although I love that little piece of leaf art, it just was like too much leafy tree stuff happening. So I found this really pretty, kind of similar concept at Home Goods with these crystals that were framed, and Twyla loves crystals and good juju vibes. So I thought that this worked a little bit better, but don't worry, we still used our beautiful leaf art somewhere else in the space.